Every now and again, the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs ask me to critique their business listings. So in this video, I'm going to do a critique for you so you can see how I go about optimizing and making a business make more sales online. If you like this kind of information where I'm helping you make more money, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know that you want more content like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Post brand new money making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions for me, comment below, or if you agree or disagree with me, comment below. With that being said, let's go with the critique. What improvements can you see that you would make to this product? Where would you start making improvements to this product? Here's what your input is. The image. So Graham is saying the hero image. So firstly, the hero image itself, well, it's not terms of service compliant. Now, does Amazon strictly enforce these terms of service? No, they do not. Would I take a risk regardless? No, I would not. Not with something so clear cut, black and white as it is on Amazon, where it clearly says on Amazon's images that you must not have any other color other than white in the background. I just wouldn't do it. Okay. And you could also argue as well that having the clear white background would actually make an improvement to this image. However, so that's the first thing. What about the actual grass itself though? I mean, look at this image. If I was going to use grass in an image, I would want it to be like the best grass I could possibly find, totally beautifully manicured, with no weeds in it, nice luscious green, not this kind of patchy shit that they've got going on here, and no kind of rocks and overgrown grass in the background. So if I was going to use it as grass, it would be amazing grass. Okay, so definitely agree with you. Hero image, not great at all. Pauline's got a product idea suggestion. So more padding for your head. Like if that was in some way, shape or form, so you could actually inflate that with air, wouldn't take much to design that into it. It would actually then be a much better product to sleep on, to actually utilize. I agree with that completely. The title should not start with brand name, says Bipin. Well, if you follow what Amazon specifically tells you to do, title should have brand name first. Okay, so Amazon's very clear on that within the title. It says quite conclusively, put your brand name first. So I'd say that's on point. Title, says Cherie. There's a lot in this title. So if you just say that out loud to yourself, that's a hell of a mouthful to try and say. So let's just open up some other things here. So here's the competition. Look at that. That's so much nicer to look at. Don't you reckon? Camping sleeping pad, meat peak extra thickness, blah, blah, blah. Self-inflating sleeping pad, self-inflating camping sleeping pad. Good video. How cool is that? Very clever. Interesting use there by putting the packaging in there as well. Because of course, if you've got the packaging, if the packaging is included with the product, which it is, then you can include the packaging on the hero image. And by doing so, you actually get to sneak a attractive young lady onto the hero image, which seems to have done quite well for them, given they've got 30,000 reviews. Not to be sneezed at. What else? Okay, but I agree. Weird competition. The competition for this item is not good, says Adrian. Okay, so what is the competition for this item? 478 self-inflating sleeping mats for camping. So 478 results. Let's just see if our survey actually agrees with that. Let's just go to page 3. 478. Let's just keep going. So oftentimes, oh, So it looks like 478 results for self-inflating sleeping mats for camping. So if that is the search term they're going after, there doesn't seem to be that many results for it, even on Amazon.com. No people in the photo using the product, that would be a big one for sure. Like there's this hero image there, but that's, neither here nor there. That hero image there doesn't really say anything at all about camping. And this one, it's got the young lady sleeping on the bed. Okay, cool. Show it inflated. Moons and sleep pictures, says Nick. It looks dead. Yeah. So the way that the images have been done is terrible. Wine cask pillow. Yes. So the pillow's actually got wine in it. Title should be readable. I agree. The title is a big no-no here. Again, I don't know with regards to the price either, whether that's priced accordingly, but let's have a look. 49, 58, 32, 38, 189, 52, 69, 34, 58. Like that's $34. And it looks way nicer than that, which is $79. So the price is a problem. Let's just quickly go and check the other market that they're in. So this is Australia, home market. So we're still talking in Australia in inches. So Australia, last time I checked, they were using the metric system. So that needs to be altered to show metric instead. What about their images? So again, that's still in inches instead of metric. So that's something else as well, okay? What I would definitely want to do. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs here in Australia. 2,500 members and growing, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, then get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google Aussie Online Entrepreneurs and you'll find us that way too. With that being said, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.